Ever dreamed of creating your own game but don't know where to start? Don't worry, you clicked the right video. Today we're diving into the wonderful, wacky world of game development. We'll be covering the basics from coming up with your idea to seeing your very first game character spring to life, and I promise you it will be more fun than getting stuck on level 3 of your favorite game. Ready? Let's do this! Alright, let's get started. First up, we need a killer idea. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where do I even begin? Well, friends, start simple. Think about a game that you love and imagine a tiny twist. For example, Pong, but with cats. Or Tetris, but with more cats. Okay, maybe I just like cats. Step 1. Brainstorming. Write down all the wildest ideas that you have. No idea is too silly. Well, except maybe that one idea where you play as a piece of toast? Oh wait, that's actually a game. See? No idea is too silly. Step 2. Choose your tools. You'll need the software to bring your ideas to life. For beginners, I recommend starting with Unity or Unreal Engine. They are free, powerful, and they have a lot of tutorials to help you out. Plus, if you mess up, you can always blame the software. I do that all the time. Unity is great for 2D and 3D games, and Unreal Engine has amazing graphics. It's like choosing between burgers and pizza. You can't go wrong. Now, step 3. Learning to code. Don't panic. I know coding sounds like the Matrix, but it's more like a secret handshake. And who doesn't want to feel like a cool secret agent? Start with the basics. Variables, loops, and functions. Remember, Google, Stack Overflow, and lately ChatGPT are your best friends. They've saved more game devs than Mario saved princesses. If you've never coded before, don't worry. Sites like Codecademy or Free Code Camp can get you up to speed. Think of it more as leveling up your skill tree in an RPG. Step 4. Designing your own game. Get creative. Draw your own characters, plan your own levels, and think about your game's rules. It's like being a god in your own little universe, but you know, without the lightning bolts. Step 5. Creating your own assets. This is where you bring your game to life with art and sound. If you're not an artist, no worries. There are plenty of free assets online. And remember, nobody's first game looks perfect. Just look at mine. Once I made a game where the main character was a blob, named Bob. Bob the Blob. Step 6. Playtesting. Time to see if your game needs fun or if it's just a buggy mess. Spoiler alert, it's probably both. Get your friends to play and give feedback. Just make sure they know you're still friends after they tell you it's terrible. Step 7. Polishing and bug fixing. This is where magic happens. Fix those bugs, polish the graphics, and make sure everything runs smoothly. It's like cleaning your room before guests come over. It's tedious, but is necessary. And finally, step 8. Publishing your game. Whether it's on the App Store, Google Play, or itch.io, get your game out there and let the world see your masterpiece. Remember, even the biggest game developers started with their very first game. And who knows, you might be the next big thing in the gaming world. There you have it, folks, the basics of game development in a nutshell. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future game dev tips. And drop a comment below about your game idea. I would love to hear what you're working on. Also remember, every great game starts with a single pixel. Until next time, happy developing!